Hi, this is Phil with ABUS Mobile Security. Today I want to show you the function of the Element 285 and 290 non-alarm disc locks. This is the 285, which has the 5mm bolt. The 290 has a 10mm bolt to fit into the larger vent holes. To use the lock, open the lock, slide it onto the rotor, finding one of the vent holes, click closed, take your memory cable, and extend it up to the brake. You're done. To take it off, reverse the process, remove your memory cable, open up your lock, slide the lock off. The Element 285 and 290. Super light, super secure, super reasonably priced. When you need security, go ABUS. Thanks for listening.